These are the things I've learned over 30 years. Over 30 years, I've done all my buying myself, all my reconditioning, all the money comes out of my own pocket, spending my own money. So when I make mistakes, I pay for the mistakes. But also, when I learn these things and I've had my mechanics, we figure stuff out that nobody else can figure out. Now I've got an edge on everybody because now I got that knowledge. So this is what I've learned over my 30 years. Over 11,000 cars. I've probably inspected over 200,000 cars in that time. This is the kind of knowledge, this is the kind of wisdom and the information that I'm gonna be dropping with Rob for him and all his people and everybody on here. This is my legacy time. This is my time to give back. We're gonna make car buying great again. Let's go.